this, and we're going to go to, okay, let's do something really simple. What if I did A plus B equals C? How many different options are there? How many different combinations for A plus B equals C, based on what we did last week with cryptorhythms? Could I ask for everybody to unmute themselves? Luke, Jesse, Claire, and Adalia. Adalia, keep yourself unmuted. Okay, great. Now, who can think of all the different combinations and how many there are? Luke, you working it? Luke, did you write them all down?
Oh, never mind. I was gonna say like infinite, but it's with this thing.
Yeah,
It's like
the digits can only be 0 through 9.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say infinite too, but yeah.
So let's see you write them down, Jesse, and then test it.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
8. Don't say it out loud, please. One, 2, 3.
7.
Only 7 combinations?
Oh yeah.
I think there's a lot more than that.
Sorry, that was bad.
No, not bad at all. I just want you to keep testing it. So there's 5 excluded there. Excluded.
wait, how do we do this? How do I do this?
Well, that is the question. How many different possible combinations are there?
63. 63. Wait.
Well, no, there's no guessing. You definitely have to write it down and test it. It's 10, 35. All right, so I have a potential answer, and I wonder if anybody else wants to share their answer and theory. So Claire, what do you have for us?
I got 72.
Wow, that is awesome. If C were allowed to be a 2-digit number, 72 would be correct. If you could be allowed to have 2-digit numbers for one letter. Jesse?
I think it was 63.
63. So how did you come up with that?
So I came. Wait. Wait. Actually, I think that's the wrong answer.
Okay, why don't you go back to the drawing board and figure it out? Luke, what about you?
Well, I'm just thinking. I'm just doing it here right now.
And Luke, you may want to put some light on in the room because I really can't see if you're raising your hand. It's just you're just a silhouette. Okay, Adalia.
I got 36.
You got 36. Okay. And how did you come up with your answer?
If A was 1, then there could be 8 answers. If A was 2, there could be 7. If 3, there could be 6. And 4, there could be 5, and so on. And I added them all up to 36.
So if A was 1, you could go all the way up to 2 through 8, correct?
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So
Oh.
how many solutions is that?
I just realized I included, like, if.
Ah. So if A is 1, there are how many potentials?
7.
7. If A is 2, there are how many?
6.
Is it 6? I agree. What if A is 3?
Then it's 5.
What if A is 4?
4.
What if A is 5?
3.
And do you see 5 and 3 here as well? And then 6, 7, 8, and 9. 6 would be what?
2.
And what about 7?
Also 2. And maybe 1.
1. I don't know about that. I don't know if I agree with all that.
Wait.
Because I think 8 has 1, can have 1, but I don't think
2.
either of those could be 9. I think 9 is out. I think 7 can have 2.
Yeah.
6 can have what? 3. 5 can have what?
4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Now
Yes.
4 can have 1, 2, 3, and 5. It's just 4. And so if we add all of those together, what do we get? Go ahead.
32.
And 32 is our final answer. 32 is our final answer. So Claire, do you see that you had to eliminate 40 solutions?
Yeah.
Because there were 40 solutions that gave C a double digit. Luke, where were you on this one?
Well, I was doing 1 plus 9 plus, or 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Because.
And so if you add 1 through 9, what did you get, Luke?
I got 45.
Good. That is correct. And Jesse, what about your strategy?
It didn't work, but yeah, as I had known.
So guys, I really like Adalia, even though you were off on the 1 by 1 value and you were like 4 away, which is amazing. I like your strategy a lot. It was a very, very good strategy. Now, yes, Luke.
Oh, sorry. Can I go grab a charger? My
Oh, yeah.
computer's
You don't,
slow.
buddy, you don't have to ask. When you need to go, you do it. All right, guys,
Okay, thanks.
I want everybody right now to go to page 1 in my document. Everybody go to page 1 in my document. I want to introduce you to one of my favorite, oh, Hannah, there you are. Um, and, and Hannah, what did you get for yours
I
on the last
actually
one?
wasn't here. I wasn't here when you told us what the problem was. I was late, so I didn't get to hear
Oh,
what it was.
so
Sorry.
let me just explain to you what it was. We were doing from last week, if we had A plus B equals C, how many different combinations could there be? And we came up with 32 possible combinations. But now, everybody, guess what? Everybody look up at the screen right now. Jesse, Claire, Adalia, Hannah, and Luke. There is only one solution. Because what we are doing now is we are using the alphabet and we are ascribing the value for 1 is A. The value for Z is going to be 26. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. I call this the ascending value method of algebra. So everybody look at page 1, and I want you to tell me, what is this acronym all about? The acronym I came up with is EJOTI, and it really helps me with this exercise, which I call dollar words. Why did I choose EJOTNY? Jesse, why?
Because they're all multiples by 5.
Yes. And why is that helpful, Claire? Why would that be helpful to know that E was 5, J was 10, O was 15, T was 20, and Y was 25?
To know the rest of the letters.
Say again, honey?
To know what the rest of the letters are.
Yeah, you really don't need the chart, guys. You really don't need the chart. So why don't we come up with a really cool word and we'll test it with this concept of ejati. So who wants to come up with a really cool word? What we're going to try to do is come up with a word that is worth exactly 100. So who's going to come up with a great word for us that they don't know is going to be a dollar word? Can anybody come up with a really cool word? It could be a name, a concept, it could be a sport. Adalia, what do you think?
I just tested it out so I know it works, but actually no, it's improper grammar. But yo-yos.
Wait a minute. A yo-yos like that?
Yeah.
So everybody try it. A yo-yos. We know that A is 1. We know that Y is.
25.
We know that O is. Come on, guys. Ejati.
15.
Ejati 15, 25, 15, and 19. Now I'm liking this already, Adalia, because I can see that 1 and 9 is 10, and 10 and 10 make 30, carrying the 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A yo-yos, not proper grammar, but who cares? It is a really, really cool word. Now, what about this word, guys? What about why? Why?
Oh yeah.
Isn't that a dollar word? 25, 25, 25,
Wait,
and 25.
wait. I just came up with another one.
Go, Jesse?
T. 5T.
Oh, wait a minute. Did you just say T, 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 T?
Yeah.
Very, very nice. Can anybody give me all the combinations of weird grammar with repeated letters? Okay, so we already got 5 T's. We got 4 Y's. What else could we do?
100 A's.
Oh, 100 A's. Please do raise your hand first, and then I'll call on you. Luke?
10 J's.
10 J's. And Hannah?
20 E's.
Louder, please.
20 E's.
20 E's. Adalia?
50 B's.
50 B's. That's so cool. Jesse?
Oh, accidentally, wait, yeah, sorry, accidentally raised.
No worries, no worries. Any others, guys?
25 D's.
Oh, nice. I was hoping somebody was going to do that.
Oh, I was gonna do that.
25 D's. 25 D's. So guys, do you know what you have just done with the number 100? Everybody look up at the screen, please. Everybody look up at the screen. Adalia and Claire. Okay, here we go. If I factor the number 100, I always start with 1 and the number itself. Then I do double half, double half, double half. Go. Come on, double,
50.
double half.
4. 25.
Now, since 25 is odd, you can't do double half. So what's the next factor that goes into 25?
Times 5.
So 5 goes into 100.
25.
And double and half?
10.
10, 10. So if you look at all of the ones that you just came up with, it includes every single one of these factor pairs. Really, really cool. Now, I want you guys to go in your packet to page 6. And I want you to look at the days of the week. Go ahead and value every single one of them, and let's see if one of them is a dollar word. So go ahead and value. I'm going to ask you all to come up with the values for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So get working, guys. Get working.
Okay, so I just need to calculate
Can I message the answer?
Say again.
Can I message the answer?
You no, don't message the answer yet because I haven't done it to me only yet. But keep trying the other ones.
Okay.
So who got Monday and Tuesday?
I'm right now getting Tuesday. Monday is 72, I think.
I didn't get that exactly. Adalia, what'd you get for Monday?
I got 67.
Oh, wait a minute. You know what? I think I agree with Jesse now. Thinking, what did you say, Jesse?
72.
Yeah, let's try it out, guys. So Adalia, 13, 15, 14, 4, 1, and 25. Connect to make tens. And what is that? 4, 5, and 3 is 12. So 22, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 72 is our sum. Who got Tuesday? Please raise your hand. Don't call it out. Don't call it out. Claire?
Almost done.
I got 85.
85. And let's see, 85. I don't know if that's what I got, but let's try it
I
out.
got 95.
Wait.
Yo, you got 95.
Yeah.
Anybody else get something different?
I either got
Got
95 or
75.
85, but I can't read my writing.
Okay, so test it. Test it again. How about you, Hannah?
I got 95.
95. Great. What did you guys get for Thursday? What did you guys get for Thursday? Who's got their hand up on Thursday? Anyone's got Thursday?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
I got 107.
Okay. Now, let's see. 19, 4, 1, and 25. So Claire,
Yeah.
let's do this. Let's do this together. I get
Mhm.
9 and 1. I get 4, 5, and 1 make 10. That's 20. That's 36. and I get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So check your math on that one, because I get 116. See if you
yeah,
can
I
figure
got that.
out. You got that too? Okay, good, 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 good. Now, Luke, what did you get for Wednesday?
I got 100.
Did anybody else get Wednesday as the dollar word?
Yeah.
Yep. Wednesday is the dollar word. Does anybody have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday?
I got 63 for Friday.
53?
63.
63.
Sorry.
63. Very good. Very good. That's what I got as well. Very nice. Anybody Saturday and Sunday?
I'm almost finished with Sunday.
Um,
Luke, Sunday.
84.
Beautiful job. Anybody have Saturday?
Not yet. Wait, I almost got it.
So
109.
that's very nice. Very nice, Jesse. 109. So guys, we can see that Wednesday is the only dollar word among the days of the week. Now, I want everybody to go to a blank page. Everybody go to a blank page. Now, I'm going to give you a riddle right now. Are you ready? So here's the riddle. Look up at the screen, please. The word wizard is not a dollar word, but you can make it into a dollar word. So figure out what I mean by that riddle, that the wizard is not a dollar word, but you can create one. Now, Adalia, while you're waiting, why don't you try to see if there are any other really cool words that are similar to that? All right, so everybody say it. What did you get for wizard? Go.
81.
And therefore, adding the
S.
suffix s gives you an additional 19 that you need to make 100. Now, guys, the same is true of, you ready for this? Elephant.
Really? Elephant and elephant?
Well, let's test it. 5, 12, 5. Come on, give me a P. 16, 8, 1, 14, and 20. Always find your tens. Wow, there's a lot of them here.
Wow.
So what do you guys think?
Yeah.
Elephants is also a dollar word. Now, one of my favorite ones, believe it or not, is the word square. Let's do it. We have 19.
19, 17,
21.
21. Whoa.
And again, squares is a dollar word. Now, here is your next quest. I want you to look at all the names in this class right now. Do you think anybody's name or names is a dollar word? Who can get the closest to a dollar word? So I want everybody, because you can see you have Luke, you have David Kramer, you have Jesse, you have Claire Perry, you have Adalia Brown, you have Hannah Alexander. So I want you guys to
write my last name.
Yeah, I think you should. I think maybe everybody should write their last names now. Let's see if we can find a dollar word somewhere. Whoa. Whoa. Luke, put your last name in there, buddy. And if you get anything that's close, don't say it out loud, please. And Luke, what's your last name?
Urantian. It's
Yeah, why
not
don't
a
you,
rename for some reason.
I'll
Oh, this.
name
Never
it.
mind.
You found it?
Yeah.
Wow. You might have the highest value. Well,
I
you got
think
that, you got Y's and lots of N's, right?
I found my name. Pretty
Yes,
close.
do not say it out loud. Yours is pretty amazing, Jesse. Now do other people's.
Hmm.
And Jesse, I'm not sure that I agree with your number that you sent in the chat.
Okay, wait. Let me recalculate it.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're off by a little bit, but still pretty close. Yeah. I think Luke kind of beat Hannah out a little bit on the high end. I think I might have been the second closest to $1.
Wait. Is it?
Don't say it out loud, buddy.
Wait. Is that correct? No. Wait. Let me check.
Ooh, very nice, Luke. And Jesse, you're still off. Now, Jesse, I'm going to do yours on a separate page,
Mm-hmm.
and I think we should do it together. All right?
Okay.
So let us do that while everybody else is working on theirs. So I have Jesse.
Yeah. J's already 10. So.
Okay, so let's start with
J's 10. E is 5. S is 19. 19. 5. 20. 9. No. Wait. Yeah. 9. 1 and 14.
you know what's kind of cool?
Mm-hmm.
Jesse, I normally don't like to do this, but I kind of think you've got a neat opportunity because you have all these multiples of 5.
Yeah.
Right? Isn't that cool? So
And I got a lot of 9s.
and if you think
too.
about it too, 1 and 14 is 15. So you have 20, 40, 55. And so then 55 and then 19 and 19
38.
make, well, it's close to 40, right? So
Yeah.
it's kind of cool. So but let's do it the regular way.
Okay.
So we got 5 and 5 is 10. 9 and 1 is 10. We've got 9, 9, and 4 is
9, 9, and 4, 18, 22.
And so that's 42, 5,
4.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So
Oh,
guys, Jesse's number is so far the closest that I've found at 102. I was the second closest, and I have a tie between Claire and Hannah, which is pretty amazing. I also found that Adalia's was the same as one of the, wait a minute. Adalia's, yours was the same.
Mine
No.
was 82, right?
Your full name,
Mm-hmm.
Adalia Brown? I didn't, what did you get?
I got, wait, actually, that's someone else's, sorry.
Oh,
I didn't label who mine was, so. Actually, no, I think I got 116.
that's what I got for you. That's what I got for Adalia. Now, Luke, can you share what you got for yours?
I got 155.
Can you say it again? Because you kind of went garbled a little bit.
Oh, sorry, 155.
That's right. So Luke, guys, had the highest value at 155. And did anybody find Claire and Hannah's number?
not yet.
I was
Claire,
doing one.
But not Hannah's.
yeah, I was thinking Hannah's was going to be the largest, but it turned out to be Luke because he's got a U, he's got a Y, an R, an N, an two N's, an S, which is pretty impressive in terms of high letters. Now, Claire's last name, believe it or not, is a very high value. I think it was like 82, Claire, right? So that was a pretty nice value. Now, my value is not as close as Jesse, but it's pretty close. So really, we could say Jesse Tien minus B is a dollar word.
Yeah.
David Kramer minus F is a dollar word.
Wait.
Hannah minus 3 J's. Claire minus
Y plus
2 O's. Let's see, Adalia minus D squared. I think those would all work.
Yeah.
All right, so what do we have for Claire and Hannah Alexander? Hannah, do you have yours?
I think it's 130.
And Claire?
I got 120.
120. Everybody help me with Claire's, please.
Okay.
I want everybody to work on Claire Perry, please.
Whoa.
So that's 3 and 12. Can anybody tell me if I've got the wrong values?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
What is P again? Is 16, 5, 18, 18, 25. Can somebody help me find tens, please?
1 and 9. A and I. E and E, Perry.
5 and 5. Any others? Any others? Any others? 8 and let's see. No. 8 and 8 is 16. 5 is 21. And 3 makes
24.
oh, and 6 makes 30.
Oh, nice.
So 30, 10, 10, and 10. I think that's 60, Claire. Is that right?
Yeah, 60.
70, 80, 90, 100. 1, 2. Yeah, Claire, I get 130 for you. Does that work? Yep. So Hannah and Claire, believe it or not, have exactly the same value. Idalia 116, Jesse 102, Luke 155. Anybody do David Kramer?
Sorry.
What'd you get for that, Claire?
106.
Yep. 106 is right. 106 is right. Now, guys, one more challenge here. One more challenge. Now, I would like you guys to think of the Greek philosophers. So look at Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, and Alexander the Great. Now look up for a second, please. This is really important. Socrates was the teacher for Plato. Plato was the teacher for Aristotle. And Aristotle was the teacher of Alexander the Great, who became one of the great generals of all time. So one of these is a dollar word. Now, who can tell me which one is definitely not a dollar word? Not a dollar word. Adalia,
Alexander the Great,
why do you say that?
because it's so long and it also has an X.
Yeah, you also know that Hannah Alexander was 130. And so Alexander the Great, I think, is going to be even greater. What is another one of those that you think is clearly not the answer? Claire?
Plato.
Yeah, Plato, guys, is way too short. In fact, the shortest dollar word is 5 letters, and the words are nutty and buzzy. Those are dollar words. Now, the winners are either Socrates or Aristotle. Let's see which one, and don't say it out loud. And by the way, guys, Alexander the Great is greater than Luke Urasian.
Wait, what?
Yep. In fact,
Wait.
Alexander the Great is greater than Luke by M. So if Luke was 155, what was Alexander the Great?
168.
That's right, because M is 13.
And
and Alexander the Great is 168. Yes, Jesse?
is his real name actually the Great, his last name? Or
Well, no. A lot of the ancient leaders would name themselves something like there was a guy named Ivan the Terrible. Like they got these nicknames, and I'm sure that Alexander the Great was very happy with his nickname. Wouldn't that sound nice? Claire, the wonderful, Hannah, the stupendous, Adalia, the amazing, Jesse, the incredible, and just Luke, the best. I mean, wouldn't that be crazy if those were your last names?
It would be so.
I hope you make new units by buying them.
So which philosopher is a dollar word?
If we have it, should we write it in the chat?
Why don't you tell me, Hannah, what you came up with?
How do you pronounce his name?
Socrates.
Socrates.
Socrates, who was a Greek philosopher, mathematician. And who can tell me what Aristotle was, the teacher of, the student of Plato and the teacher of Alexander the Great? Who figured out Aristotle? Anybody do Aristotle? Go ahead, Hannah.
I haven't checked my answer, but 119.
I started doing it, but then it ended in a 9, so I stopped doing it.
Oh, I like your strategy, Claire. I think that's a very intelligent strategy. If you don't get the 0, you know it's not a dollar word. But I'm always curious. So Adalia's name plus C equals Aristotle. So Adalia at 116 plus C, which is 3, equals Aristotle at 119. So really, really cool stuff, guys. Algebra is a lifelong pursuit. You are going to see numbers and letters for the rest of your life. And the beauty is looking at the connection between them. I hope everybody loves this introduction to algebra. And I'm trying to think of what to do for our last session next week before the summer, and trying to think if we can kind of beef up the algebra to do something really cool. So if you have any ideas, clearly send them my way. But I'm always trying to come up with something better for you guys. Thank you for a great session. And say goodbye to your buddies. And say, well, Jesse's the closest to $1 that we have here. But of course, Claire and Hannah are a dead heat, and everybody else is an even number. Oh, that's interesting, right? Luke was 150. No, Luke was odd at 155. I was 106. Adalia was 116. Very interesting. Bye, guys. See you next week.
Bye.